Sanitary and worry-free. Wags Wiggles doggy bags are strong, tear-resistant, and leak-proof so you can take your pup out worry-free. Makes cleaning up a breeze. These dog poop bags make cleaning up after your pet quick and easy. These handy dog poo bags are must-have dog supplies. Cute print, unique scent. These poop bags for dogs feature fun designs and unique scents that you and your pet will love. Perfect for refills. This pack of Wags Wiggles dog waste bags includes 4 rolls, 60 bags. They are perfect for refilling your dispenser. Easy to use. Simply pull a waste bag over your hand like a glove. Scoop up waste with your bagged hand. With your other hand, grasp open end of the bag and pull it inside out. Gently tie and knot the end until completely closed. Top reviews from the United States. Works great for cat litter. I use these bags to scoop my cat litter into and they work great for that. I have a large metal scoop and there is no spillage. There is plenty of room to get the contents of the scoop into the bag. I do not put the bag over the scoop, I just scoop and place into the bag. I will say the scent is extremely faint or really non-existent unless you put your nose right on the bag, but that's not important to me. They are sturdy enough to carry from the litter box to the trash can outside without any issues. We'll keep buying for the price.